Buckle up, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're launching ourselves into the future to explore some mind-blowing, amazing futuristic weapons. We're talking next-gen tech, firepower that will leave you speechless, and weapons so incredible they seem ripped straight out of sci-fi movies. Forget your grandpa's laser pointers. These bad boys are on a whole new level. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the most incredible futuristic weapons that will redefine warfare or target practice as we know it. Let's dive in. Vektor H5 Rifle. Explore with confidence thanks to the Vektor H5 Rifle. This pump-action powerhouse thrives in any environment. The H5's smooth action lets you chamber rounds quickly, perfect for unpredictable situations. Its .23 caliber packs a punch for medium game, while the comfy stock and adjustable sights guarantee precise shots. Don't be fooled by its power. The H5's lightweight build makes it a dream to carry on long adventures. Plus, the simple pump-action mechanism requires minimal maintenance, freeing up more time to enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're a seasoned hunter, a target-shooting enthusiast, or someone seeking a reliable companion for any situation, the Vektor H5 is built for the adventure. Ruger 1022 Gatling Gun Kit. Unleash the fun with the Ruger 1022 Gatling Gun Kit. Ever wanted your trusty Ruger to transform into a mini Gatling gun? This kit makes it a reality. It's surprisingly easy to install yourself. No gunsmith required. Just follow the instructions, attach it to your two Ruger 1022s. Yes, you need two, and get ready for an epic time. Imagine turning your range day into a controlled frenzy. The Gatling Gun Kit lets you unleash a stream of 2022 LR rounds with impressive control. It's like having your own personal paper target shredder. This kit is perfect for seasoned shooters seeking a new challenge or anyone who wants to add serious excitement to their next range trip. Affordable, easy to set up, and guaranteed fun. The Ruger 1022 Gatling Gun Kit injects a whole new level of enjoyment into your Ruger experience. MA5 Assault Rifle Spartans, assemble. For generations in the Halo universe, the MA5 Assault Rifle has been the UNSC's unwavering defense against the Covenant threat. Today, we celebrate this legendary weapon. A bullpup design keekeeps the MA5 compact despite its full-length barrel, maximizing both portability and firepower. It chambers the 7.62 51mm NATO round, delivering a serious blow to any enemy. But the MA5's true strength lies in its versatility. Switch between controlled bursts for distant targets, or unleash full auto fury in close quarters. Always stay informed with the built-in ammo counter and compass. Crucial tools for navigating chaotic battles and ensuring humanity's survival. More than just a firearm, the MA5 Assault Rifle is a symbol of unwavering resilience. It's the weapon you clutch when everything is on the line, the last stand against overwhelming odds. Slong G-Kriss Glock 17. Want to turn your Glock 17 into a close-quarters beast? Check out the Slong G-Kriss kit. This upgrade boosts control, improves hip-fire accuracy, and throws in a tactical rail for customization. Imagine dominating tight spaces with submachine gun stability, all thanks to the Slong G-Kriss. Plus, installation is a breeze. No gunsmith needed. Whether you're an airsoft pro or a shooting range enthusiast, the Slong G-Kriss injects serious fun into your Glock. It's lightweight, affordable, and totally transforms your gameplay. FoldAR. Tired of your AR-15 feeling like a space hog? FoldAR. Folding AR-15 lets you ditch those size limitations. This innovative stock attachment folds your rifle down for easy storage in backpacks or tight spaces without sacrificing power. Unfold in seconds, no tools needed, and get back to reliable AR performance you know and love. The folder's rock-solid build means zero wobble or accuracy loss when unfolded. It's a discreet powerhouse that goes wherever you do. Hunters, law enforcement, and firearms enthusiasts, the FoldAR unlocks a new level of flexibility. Unfold your next adventure with FoldAR. AM15 calling all 22LR lovers. Take your plinking and target practice to the next level with the AM15 Gen 2 submachine gun. This innovative firearm lets you unleash a stream of 22LR rounds with incredible control. Forget spraying wildly. The AM15 Gen 2 boasts top-notch ergonomics and a rapid fire rate that stays surprisingly accurate. Lighter than ever and comfortable to hold, the AM15 Gen 2 is a joy to use all day. Plus, its compact design makes it perfect for range fun or small game hunting without feeling bulky. New shooters and experienced marksmen alike will find endless entertainment with the AM-15 Gen 2. It's easy to use, maintains impressive accuracy, and offers a ton of fun at an affordable price. Experience the next gen of .22 fun with the AM-15 Gen 2 Steampunk pistol by Dreamdesigner. Steampunk fans and gearheads, prepare to be wowed. The Steampunk pistol by Dreamdesigner is a marvel of both artistry and engineering. Forget your grandpappy's revolver. This beauty fuses classic lines with cutting-edge, Victorian-era cutting-edge, that is, tech. Imagine facing down a rogue automaton with a pistol straight out of a Jules Verne adventure. Dreamdesigner's creation boasts intricate details like gears, pistons, and polished brass for a mesmerizing look. But the magic doesn't stop there. The unique reloading mechanism is an ingenious marvel that will ignite your inner tinkerer. Whether you're a cosplayer seeking the perfect finishing touch for your steampunk garb or a collector with a discerning eye, the Steampunk pistol by Dreamdesigner is a must-have. It's a conversation starter, a work of art, and a tribute to the boundless creativity of the steampunk community. This pistol is where art and function find perfect harmony. Crye Precision 612. Feeling weighed down by your bulky shotgun? Crye Precision 612 offers the perfect solution. This innovative shotgun transforms into two separate badasses. Need breaching power? Use the 612 as a standalone shotgun with a detachable stock, packing 6 powerful 12-gauge rounds. Going for close-quarters combat? The 612 seamlessly transforms into a compact underbarrel attachment for your AR platform, offering incredible maneuverability without sacrificing firepower. Attaching and detaching the 612 is a breeze. No gunsmith required. With the 612, you get breaching power and CQB dominance in one versatile package. It's two worlds in one shotgun. The Crye Precision 612, Glock Store exclusive. The red MCK Glock heads, listen up. Want to supercharge your sidearm and add some range flair? The Glock Store exclusive red MCK is your answer. This fire engine red kit transforms your trusty Glock into a close-quarters combat beast. We're talking better control, improved hip firing accuracy, and a tactical rail for all your favorite attachments. Plus, that red design, it'll definitely turn heads at the range. Imagine dominating close-up scenarios with the stability of a submachine gun. The red MCK is surprisingly easy to install yourself. No gunsmith needed. Whether you're a competitive shooter or just a firearms enthusiast seeking to elevate your Glock experience, the Glock Store exclusive red MCK injects serious fun and functionality into your next trip to the range. Don't wait. Transform your Glock today. Henry Lever Action Axe. Ford 10. Calling all outdoor enthusiasts, the Henry Lever Action Axe 410 is your new adventure buddy. Forget the typical shotgun. This firearm is equal parts fun and function. It combines the smooth lever action of a Henry rifle with the versatility of a 410-gauge shotgun, all wrapped in a compact package with a unique axe-handle grip. The Axe 410 is a blast to shoot. The lever action lets you fire smoothly, and the 410 shells are perfect for target practice, small game hunting, or even plinking at a metal gong. Reloading is a breeze thanks to the handy side loading gate, but this isn't just a range toy. Its compact size makes it ideal for hiking, camping, or keeping around for pest control. And that axe handle, it's not just for looks. Chop firewood or clear brush on your next outdoor adventure. The Henry Lever Action Axe 410 offers fun, functionality, and the freedom to explore, all in one package. Mosin Obrez Pistol. In the heart of fog-laden battlefields, where stealth is paramount, a legend stirs once more. The Mosin Nagant Obrez Pistol. Forget your grandpa's Mosin rifle. The Obrez is a wartime adaptation, a full-length rifle reborn as a brutally effective pistol. It chambers the powerful 7.62 X54R cartridge, delivering enough punch to stop even the toughest enemy at close range. This is a weapon for desperate situations, ideal for eliminating sentries or clearing tight spaces in a flash. However, the Obrez's short barrel brings fierce recoil and sacrifices accuracy for compactness. Taming this beast requires nerves of steel and a steady hand. Reloading with stripper clips is slow, so every shot counts. The Mosin Nagant Obrez Pistol, a legacy of close-quarters chaos, reborn for those who dare to wield it. USFA Zip-22. Attention plinkers and target enthusiasts, the USFA Zip-22 injects pure fun into your next range day. This single-shot wonder is a blast from the past with a modern twist. Inspired by classic Western pistols, the Zip-22 is lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for anyone wanting to hit the range. It's not about raw power, but pure enjoyment. The single-shot design encourages focus and precision, while the comfortable weight and smooth action make firing a joy. It's ideal for teaching new shooters the basics of marksmanship or for seasoned enthusiasts seeking a relaxing day of casual target practice. Loading is a breeze. Just pop open the chamber, insert a round, and you're ready to go. Plus, the affordable and widely available .22 LR caliber keeps range days budget-friendly. The USFA Zip-22 brings classic fun to the modern range, perfect for shooters of all ages and experience levels. FN-P90. In the ever-changing landscape of personal defense weapons, the FN-P90 FA submachine gun stands out as a true innovator. Let's dive into what makes this Belgian beauty a legend. The P90 FA boasts a bullpup design, keeping it compact for easy maneuvering, yet offering a full-length barrel for serious stopping power. But the real showstopper is the top-mounted, translucent 50-round magazine, firepower personified. This submachine gun isn't just about packing a punch, it's built for controlled rapid fire. The selective fire system lets you switch between full auto for close-quarters chaos and controlled bursts for taking down targets with precision. Ambidextrous controls make it a dream to use for both right-handed and left-handed operators. Low-light situations, no sweat. The P90 FA features integrated iron sights with tritium inserts for clear aiming, day or night. The FN P90 FA submachine gun, futuristic firepower, available today. Browning Buck Mark Rifle, calling all plinkers, target enthusiasts, and rimfire fanatics. Today, we celebrate the Browning Buck Mark Rifle, a timeless classic that injects pure fun into every range day. Inspired by the legendary Buckmark pistol, this rifle takes everything you love about the original and transforms it into a full-blown target shooting and plinking experience. The Buckmark rifle boasts a lightweight design that's easy to carry, making it your perfect companion for a relaxing afternoon at the range. It's a breeze to operate. Detachable magazines ensure quick reloading, while the smooth bolt action guarantees flawless cycling. This user-friendly design is perfect for both seasoned shooters and those new to the sport. But don't be fooled by its ease of use. This rifle is a true tack driver. The Buckmark platform is famous for its accuracy, and the added stability of a rifle stock unlocks a whole new level of precision. Impress your friends with tight groupings and enjoy the satisfaction of hitting targets with effortless accuracy. The Browning Buck Mark Rifle. Classic design. Endless fun on the range. That was a mind-blowing trip through the future of firearms. Seriously, some of those weapons were just bonkers. But hey, that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what crazy firepower the future might hold. What unreal weapons do you think are out there waiting to be invented? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic content. Until next time, stay futuristic.